over there. Fuck. I'm gonna watch you come in. I'm gonna record your flight here. There's Jeff coming in. Yeah, you're good. Now just go down.
Really touchy when you get low.
Yeah.
I'll get it in a second.
We gotta simulate combat conditions. Did you notice I was firing at you?
Yeah.
Alright, hurry up and garage that thing. Yep, we still have the outpost. Are you out of it?
Yep.
Watch your position.
Oh, you can't garage it because we're not in an airport. Wah, wah, wah. Alright.
I can take it to the airport real quick.
No, I need to go to bed. Don't worry, it's just I'll give you a bunch of money right now so you can buy one next time. Where are you? Stay still. Players and money, donate to player.
Let me know when you're done.
All right.
Well, that's a lot of money.
That should have been about 10,000. Oh! Okay.
I'm in charge now.
I'm the new actual.